it's Marie Antoinette. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, look at this. Seriously, I need to get this together. I could have been took this off during quarantine, or I just haven't because I haven't. But anyways, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, in this video, I'm going to be talking about BB cream. This BB cream is like a tinted moisturizer type thing. It has SPF in it. This is absolutely my favorite one. I love this color. This color suits me very well. I will be showing you guys, but this is by Black Radiance. I'll try to pop it up on the screen, but it's a Black Radiance in the color Honey Amber, and it is sunscreen. It is 15% SPF, oil-free beauty balm is what it says it is. This is my favorite one, but I have not been able to find this in any Walmart that I go to anymore. I found it one time and this was the one bottle that I have, and I've been trying to make it work, and it's like I've been trying to find it, but yeah, it's pretty much gone. And with this on, it really looks like my skin, but it looks wonderful. Like, I love a BB cream because for those of us who do have hyperpigmentation, and sometimes you don't want to wear foundation just to feel happy in your skin and just confident, and a BB cream does that for me. Like, I actually get compliments on like my actual skin when I wear BB cream. I'm gonna show you guys this one, which is my favorite one, and I have this dark color from e.l.f. I guess I could actually swatch the colors and show the colors to you guys so you can see what it looks like and like what it's giving. So this is my favorite one, which is Honey Amber. And you can see it's not that sheer, but it's sheer. It looks really good on the skin. This is the color that I got from e.l.f. because I just wanted to try it and see. As you can tell, it's super dark. I don't think I've used this one. I guess if I wanted to like kind of try to do a slight beat with actual BB cream, I could use this to start moisturizing with my CeraVe moisturizer. This moisturizer also has my oil concoction that I tell you guys about in it. So it has my oil mixed in with it. Not a lot of oil. I just put a few drops of the oil in here. Oh, I did not mean to get that much. And I've had this little thing for so long because like, you don't need that much, like, you don't need to like slather with the moisturizer. So I like to get that much moisturizer, go in. I do like to be moisturized though. Oops, did I just mess up my eyebrow? Oops. I hope I didn't. And if I did, oh well. Press that into my skin and then go in with my baby, my Vaseline. You see? Okay. I'm gonna take this much Vaseline, rub it into my hands, and I'm gonna like really try to like press that into my skin. And so I'm gonna do half of my face with my one from Black Radiance that I like, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to obviously make your own starting with these products. So that's what you're gonna want to start with if you're like making your own BB cream at home. You don't have to use Vaseline if you don't use Vaseline on your face. If you feel like it's gonna clog your pores and do the most, by all means skip the Vaseline. Just make sure you're very well moisturized and do what it do. Boom. Okay, so now next I'm gonna go in with my CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion and SPF. You could have skipped this and just did this, but like I still needed a little something on this. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on the side that I'm actually putting the BB, the one that I already have on, because it only is SPF 15 and this is SPF 30. So we're gonna kind of combine the two. I'm only gonna get just a tiny because I'm only doing one side of my face. Okay. First of all, my skin feels so good right now, like just how it is. It's gonna take my Black Radiance and I'm just gonna put that on there. Not too much, that looks like a lot, but because it's so thin, girl, I think it's gonna be nothing. And I'm gonna take my brush because I do like to use a brush when I'm doing this. And we're just going to, just look at that already. And of course I do like to start to blend because you don't want it to still. I feel like I put too much for this one side, but it is what it is. Okay, and so y'all see that I have issues here. So this is the part where you're gonna wanna tread lightly because you're not gonna wanna take up like that much of the coverage from that area. And it's fine if like the marks peek through for me, like I don't care that much, but you don't want it to just look just like this, you know what I mean? You see the difference? Like, and people like this really does start to look like skin because it's so sheer. I'm gonna push this back. Okay. This right here is everything to me. Like, do y'all see how good my skin, like how healthy it like actually looks? Amazing just on that side. So just BB cream. And this would just be like we're out the door, like if both sides were done, and I'm just out. So next I'm going to be showing you guys how I concoct it on my own. If you like, because like I said, for us black girls and us girls of skin color, you know, we need to wear some protection and stuff like that. But BB creams and things, like as you see with this Elf one, it's just deep, and it was like, I think they had a light, a medium. There's only like 3 or 4 shades usually, and like that's why I was very surprised that Black Radiance actually had a variety. What you're gonna want to do is, a trick that you're gonna want to do is to use one of your foundations. And this one is perfect because it's darker than my skin, and when I sheer it out, it's like good, but it's not like crazy dark. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. As y'all saw earlier, I moisturized my face, but I did not put the sunscreen. So we started off first moisturizing our entire face, putting our Vaseline, our sealant on, because that's just how I get down. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to first go in with the sunscreen and a nice heaping of a, well, I'm only doing half of a face. Okay, I put too much. Once you put your sunscreen on your brush, I would then put this directly on it, but you're not going to want to put that much at all. Okay, so you're going to just want to put a little, Marie, just a little, half of a face, half of a face. So if I was doing the whole face, I would probably do a half of a pump, but because I'm only doing half of a face, I'm literally only doing like 1/4 of a pump. So now I'm gonna just take this, and first I'm gonna like pack it on my area where I have my issues, and then I'm gonna start to see the color in that. And then once I start to see the color, I'm gonna start to spread it around. And of course, like we did on the other side, we're going to want to tread lightly over our areas that we struggle with. You're not gonna wanna go as hard down here. Like you won't have no coverage. And now, as you can see, I do have a few issues right here and right here. That's always, don't sleep on your concealer. If you feel like it's still showing in places you're not happy about, go in with your concealer and make it do what it do. Okay? Press though, press. You're not gonna wanna this is not something that you're gonna want to be swiping. You're gonna want to press it, whether it's with a brush or not, because you want that coverage to stay there. You're not trying to rub that coverage out. You're trying to press that coverage into the skin. Boom. I actually think that looks better already, and I'm gonna do it right here too. Press. Press until it disappears. It's not gonna like disappear, but like press until it's blended nicely. Boom. And you can see that both sides actually look very similar. It's not like a huge difference in when I turn my face. But yeah, make your own BB cream. Wear BB cream or wear sunscreen. I would definitely say if you're trying to like tone down your foundation and trying to figure it out and take care of your dark marks, you need to be wearing sunscreen on a regular basis. And you can definitely wear sunscreen. If it's making you look orange or I mean purple or white or ashy, do like I do. Mix a dash of your foundation in there, just also so you can get that confidence boost that, you know, we want to see our skin look nice. We want to feel good. We want to look in the mirror and not have the irritation of like, ugh, that mark is still there that I've been trying to get rid of for 3 months. Like, sometimes I just want to draw my worries away with makeup. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully these were some helpful tips. Hopefully you guys can incorporate it so that you can really start to protect your skin and take care of your skin so that you can reduce the appearance of dark marks that you have. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you thumbs it up, leave a comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Once again, I'm so grateful. I appreciate all of you so much. I'm definitely thinking about doing a giveaway. So what I need for y'all to do, following me on Instagram, and on my latest post, just leave like the cash emoji. And I'm going to decide one person to give a gift card to or something about it. It's gonna be something not that you can use for right now, because we all know what's going on and we could all use a little something extra. Leave a comment in the bottom saying anything. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Leave a comment on my latest post with the cash emoji, and I'm gonna pick somebody within the next, I don't know, 10 days. Got 10 days, and we're going to pick a winner and we're going to see who won, see how that works out. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.